almost didn't share this video, but I think it's worth watching. So these are the Dollar Tree stackable planters. You've seen them everywhere. They're in the Dollar Tree every spring. I've had mine for about 4 years now, and the first year I used them, I planted strawberries in them. It was gorgeous, and then I accidentally bent over next to the thing and knocked it down and threw all of my strawberries all over the ground and all of that nice fresh soil. And so this year I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get a steel bar, you know, like a garden stake, stick it down deep in the ground, plant all my herbs in it. It's gonna be wonderful. You can see the bar sticking up, and then it goes down the ground like a foot. So it's gorgeous. I love it. I'm happy. I planted this. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna share this video, you know, tomorrow, and it's gonna be wonderful. And this planter's gonna be beautiful all season long. I got my herbs going. I'm ready. And then I come out this morning and it is flat on its face again.